Today we have to study on soil pollution. Before starting this lecture, we have to go for some idea for soil pollution. What is an soil pollution? Soil pollution means we have to add the wasted to a soil and polluting them. Polluting them is if by content of organic and inorganic particles, like as a domestic waste, industrial waste, transportation waste, hospital waste. That's all type of the waste we have to directly add it to our soil level, and we have to polluting them. That's called as a soil pollution. Today we have to detail discuss in a soil pollution. Also we have to study about the how we can reduce it the soil pollution, or we can filter our process like as a waste. This topic covered in our subject of environmental science. Let's go to start our topic. This image are represent the number of image for a soil pollution. The first image are mentioned. This is an industrial process occurring. Here is a mining process is occurring. Here is a fertilizer and pesticide application is there, and here is a natural atmosphere is there. That's all types of the procedure, all types of the application, manufacturing that are lightly or highly giving a soil pollution as per as its requirement and as per as its procedure. Here we have to considering for this topic, this called as a industrial area. Industrial area creating a highly soil pollution because of there are giving a number of artificial chemical inside there, so that the artificial chemical giving a highly pollution. Then after the fertilizer and pesticide application, for on fertilizer we have to using a some of the urea like for an fertilizer. So it's a creating a heavy pollution on soil. Here is a one surface runoff. Surface runoff means the some of the soil first layer of the our land that are passed from this is original positions, and it's creating a hazard. This image are creating a hazard types of the systems. Then after the mining process are giving a heavy metal structure inside there, and some we have to filtering this process from the mining process, like as we have to collecting aluminum, Fe, and any another type of the metals from the earth. They all are procedure creating a soil pollution. This image are we have to showing the next image. This image are shown the soil are completely wasted because of there is a lack of nutrition, lack of water, and heavy sunlight. That's the all the trees are burned out by itself. That's also called as a soil pollution. Here this three truck image are mentioning also a soil pollution. Here this is the most of the plastic waste is there. For an urbanization development, most of the plastic waste are collected from them and rejected at one place. That's all are plastic, inorganic material are there. Maximum collection of this type of the waste are creating a heavily soil pollution. There's we have to see this image. They are collecting a urban waste from the urban side and rejecting at this place. That's all are creating a heavy pollution on the land because of there is a number of wastage is there, like as a industrial waste, dung waste, plastic waste, some of the detergent waste. There are mixing up, and we have to create a soil pollution. Next, the definition for an soil pollution. Soil pollution is defined as a built up in soil pesticide, toxic compound, chemicals, salt, radioactive material, or disease causing agents which have adverse effect on the plant growth and animal health. Means that we have to creating a many more toxic compound, many more chemical, artificial chemical, man-made chemical, salt, radioactive material. They are some of the hospital waste, disease causing. They are creating a heavily soil pollution, and it's stop the plant growth. Because of this type of the pollution are not able to survive the tree, so that it's stop the plant growth and animal health. Also this type of the pollution animal are not sustain this type of the environment and not survive that, so that there's a population are day by day are in decreasing land. Soil is the thin layer of the organic and inorganic material that covered by the earth and rocky surface. Soil pollution means there is a mixing of many more wastes like as a organic and inorganic material. They cover the earth. They are creating a one layer on side the earth or rock side. That's called as a soil pollution also. The organic portion which is derived from the discarded remain of the plant and animal. It concentrated in the dark uppermost topsoil. For on this sentence, we have to considering the organic pollution. They are creating a one black surface of the topsoil, like as a gray type or completely black type. That's are creating a pollution by organic material. Organic material, they are the natural rejected waste. They are called as a organic material. And what is one for inorganic material? Inorganic material, that means they are rejected by man, and there is a many more mixing of wastage. That's called as a inorganic waste. For an inorganic portion made up rock fragments, was are formed over the thousand of years by physical and chemical weathering of bedrock. Their process are not for short; their process are too long. For inorganic process and creating a pollution that are created by the human, and productive soil are necessary for an agriculture to supply the world with sufficient food. If you have to creating a organic waste, inorganic waste to producing a soil pollution, that's are the decrease the fertilization process of the food or farmhouse. What happened at this time? At this time, it's not giving a sufficient food to survive the all live bodies, so that the soil pollution are very dangerous. So sir, we have to stop that type of the soil pollution, because of we have to survive in this world, and to give a agriculture supply for world with sufficient food to survive a long life. Without food, any animal cannot live with a long life. This is the types of soil pollution, different type of the solution wherein she occur. That's a first is a soil pollution resolution. It's a making a many more component part are leading. That's a air pollution also are is there. Just have to highlight here is an air pollution, water pollution, environmental health, innovation, arm, lead, paint and batteries coming from marine litter and microplastic. That are all the component are for representative parts of soil pollution. Not only single part can creating a soil pollution, but many more function parts and application are eligible for an soil pollution. If you have to say that's only and only domestic waste are creating a soil pollution, that's are not enough, because of the many more component part are available in the earth, and they are creating a sum of minor or major types of the soil pollution. Like we have to say as a air pollution, how it's compare with the soil pollution. That's both are different, air pollution and soil pollution. We are not comparing with the air and solution. That's are wrong. Some of the air pollution are directly affected to a soil pollution. Just I have given you example. There is a many more toxic gases on the atmosphere. Whenever the rain is come, the toxic gases are dilute with the water, and this diluted water convert into the higher pH value. So it's called as a acid rain. That acid rain come with on the rain and fall into the soil. That's acid are creating a pollution on the soil. Means many more components are referently to consider foreign soil pollution. There are the all components are considered for polluting our soil. There are many different ways that the soil can be become polluted, such as like the first we have to so that segment from the landfill. Seepage means some of the land are fall from the original place. That's also called as a soil pollution. Discharge of industrial waste into the soil. Some of the industry are giving a highly discharge to a soil like as a water waste, solid waste or liquid waste into the soil. Perchloration and contaminated water into the soil. When we have to some process are given there, that's called as a cleaning process, that's called as a filtering process, some of the drying process as compared with the water. That's the polluted water directly drain into the soil. That's also creating an soil pollution. Rupture of the underground storage tank. Sometimes we have to store underground tank with the highly contained chemical. That's also creating a soil pollution. Exceed application of the pesticide, herbicide, and fertilizer. For an our farm, we have to using a many more pesticide and many more fertilizer. That's also are capable part of the polluting our soil. Solid waste seepages. The most common of the chemical involved in causes of soil pollution are there is first like as a petrochemical hydrocarbon. Petrochemical hydrocarbon are mostly active in our soil pollution. Next is a heavy metal, pesticide and solvent. Heavy metal means like you say as a alloy metal. Alloy metal we have to using in our daily basis because of we are require highly strength and highly wearable and anti-corrosive resistance. So number of metal are mixing and producing alloy metal. This alloy metal producing in industrial manufacturing system and it's creating a heavy pollution in air, water and soil. That's are creating a three pollution: heavy metals, air pollution also is there, liquid pollution like as a water pollution is there, and also creating a soil pollution. Some of the pesticide for most common component part for soil pollution. And solvent is a liquid particle. There is a mixing of number of chemical that's called as a solvent. They're also creating a soil pollution. Types of soil pollution: agriculture soil pollution, that are created by the nature, not creating by any human or artificial. There is a two types: pollution of surface soil and pollution of underground soil. Surface soil means the base of surface we are creating a waste or rejecting a waste on the upper side. That's called as a surface solution. So surface soil pollution. And then after the next type is a underground soil. Underground soil means the in the depth of we have to considering from 5 feet to 15 feet. That type of the pollution goes inside the soil. That's called as a underground soil. Not more than we have to considering for the 100 feet or 200 feet. That is not enough level. But the upper level we have to considering 5 to 15 to 20 feet. That's called as a underground soil pollution. This image are represent we have to rejecting many more waste on the earth. That's called as a alkaline battery. Number of alkaline battery are rejected directly to earth, which is a lead content. Lead is a very dangerous material to creating a harmful content on our soil. And another side, we have to show that the some of the clay and some of the small planted is there, but the plant are not totally growth and condition. They are in a weak condition because of the lead battery it is there. and it's creating a soil pollution. So it just stop the grow of plant, means it's are creating a deforestation process. Soil pollution by the industrial influence and solid waste. Here the second image we have to show the number of plastic wastage is there. Maximum we have to showing in a plastic bottle up to 50% and for this pass. These are the creating a maximum pollution. For a plastic, as per the scientific level, it's said that the plastic are completely decomposed by the thousand of years. But it's calculating a many more years. Completely composition in this soil means a plastic છે એ soil ની સાથે mix થવા માટે means completely in a inactive condition that are required a thousand of year, but the duration of start to end thousand of year, it's a creating a heavily influence inside the soil that are created by human. There are also in the two types of pollution of the surface soil and disturbance in the soil profile, means it's a changing a soil profile, means nutrition level, some of the soil chemical structure, soil inside the living body that are different and they can be changed by the pollution. Pollution due to the urban activity. Now in today's technology, the technology are going fast, very fast going. So that's it's urban activity, some of the infrastructure, some of the electronic waste, some of the our irrigation system that are creating a pollution. But we have to physically view that the city developing is a very good idea, like road wise irrigation system, infrastructure system, technologies. But the to reach at this position, we have to rejecting many more wastage. Not on a single process we can develop our city, but to develop our city to reach at this point, we have to rejecting many more wastage. So that's all type of the wastage are creating a soil pollution. Not on a single stage we have to complete the given a big infrastructure, but there are required a number of process, and that's all process are giving a small pollution at the atmosphere. That's called as a noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. They are increasing in order. Causes of soil pollution. Soil pollution is caused by the presence of man-made chemical. Mostly active content is a man-made chemical, artificial chemical. For a natural chemical are not giving a highly harmful reaction, but the man-made chemical giving a very harmful reaction. And alternation of the natural and soil environment. The most common of the chemical involved are petroleum, hydrocarbon, and solvent, pesticide, lead, and other heavy metal. These all petrochemicals, solvent, pesticides, lead, and heavy metal, they all are giving a heavily pollution in the soil because of there is a mixing of two or more than two materials, not on a single material we are using. These all are using two or more than two material mixing, so that it's creating a highly pollution in our environment. This occurrence of the phenomena is corrected with the degree of industrialization and intensity of the chemical uses that are creating a highly uses in industrial level. These processes are not occurring in a residential process or not any commercial process. These all processes are occurs in an industrial process, and there are use of highly reactive chemical. So it's a gives that type of the manufacturing process. After the completion of process, that chemical are rejected in our earth, like as a form of liquid or as a form of solid, that are creating a pollution in our environment. Pollution in the soil is associated with the discriminate use of fertilizer that are not maintaining a some of the ratio for using of fertilizer. Whenever the we uses fertilizer, any pesticide and insecticides and herbaceous, they are not maintaining a ratio to uses of them. They are giving a lots of pesticides and fertilizer using in our farm, to developing a higher growth of food. You have to every day demanded heavy and heavy food, so that the many more pesticides and many more fertilizer we have to using our farm to reach the demand of food. But at the long time, there are creating a heavily pollution in our environment, and that's are giving a lower life over the living body. Dumping of the large quantity of solid waste. We have to not managing our large quantity of the solid waste, because of that they're directly rejected in our atmospheric condition. Deforestation and soil erosion. We have to cutting our tree or cutting our forest. That's called as a deforestation, and that's creating a soil erosion. At this time, it's giving a heavy rainfall and water can pass from this way. That's called as a soil erosion. That's also a associated with the soil pollution. Effect of soil pollution. What is the effect occurs on our natural and effect on our whole live body? It, that's are reduce the soil fertility. It's a common thing. We have to rejecting many more waste in our earth, like in a form of organic and inorganic, that are reducing soil fertility. So that for condition we have to using a higher pesticide for giving a food demand, but it's a not a solution for using of that type of the contents. Reduce nitrogen fluxement. Here then after, the air supply from the atmosphere to soil that are reducing. Maximum content is there is a nitrogen that are reducing the nitrogen ability in soil, not on for atmosphere. Increase erodibility. It means sense it's the increasing highly polluted soil that's called as a poisons. That type of the poison are increasing, and it's the stop the growth of tree. That's image have to shown in here. They are image also say that this plant is very small, but the lack of oxygen and lack of nutrition or lack of fertility, the plant are not growth completely. The incompleted growth plant we have to see in this image. Because of that, the heavily soil pollution is there. This cloud are said that the air pollution is also there. Not only single pollution in our atmosphere, but many more pollution in there. So they are stop the plant growth and stop the animal health to giving a long living life. Larger loss of the soil and nutrition. For that type of the solution, it's the lack of nutrition also is there. Deposit in sleet in tank and reservoir. Deposit slink in means the નદીમાં જે કાંપ આવે છે એ કાંપ છે એ એક જગ્યા પર સ્ટોપ થશે, means they have to stop and take a rest at place. And that type of the farm are not feasible to grow many more food in this area. Reduce the crop yield, imbalance in the soil fauna and flora. That's also said that the our ecosystem and live body, like as a forest and our ecosystem, they are imbalanced because of the lack of fertility inside the soil. Some of the reduce the nitrogen level, they are giving us some of the air pollution and imbalance of O2 and CO2 level. There are called as an imbalance of soil fauna and flora that are affected to our wildlife and our forest. Control of soil pollution. Which type of the control we have to taking for reducing soil pollution? We cannot stop the all type of the soil pollution, but we try for best control of soil pollution. That's the sum of the soil pollution we have to reducing as per our best. The following steps have been suggested to control the soil pollution. To help prevent the soil erosion, we can limit construction in sensitive area. If the human and land ratio are not maintained, we have to limit construction area, because of the it's giving a highly pressure on the land. whenever the human land ratio are not maintained. Land are very small and number of human or number of living body is higher. So at the area, at this type of the area, we have to limit the construction. So can we maintain the land and human ratio? In general, we would to need less fertilizer and fewer pesticide if we could all adopt that 3R: reduce, reuse, and recycle. If you to adopt this three procedure: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means the we have to reducing the using of pesticides. Reuse means we have to use this item in cycle form, means to one we have to use, then after continue we have to reuse for the next process. For a third process we have to continue reuse that process. And recycle means one time we have to use that process, then after to destroy and reconstruct that particular cycle. That's called as an recycle. Just I have to give an example. Here is a one lamp is given is that for an reduce, we have to reduce uses of heavily chemical structure pesticide for an any farm. Reuse, if you to possible to reuse કોઈ પણ material છે એને એક વખત use કરો, then after we have to use in again in a future times or future frame. That's called as a reuse. And recycle means we have to modify them, we have to reconstruct them, and otherwise we have to maintain them. That's called as a recycle. We have to use any material for a next and next cycle. That's called as a recycle. Then after the next, this would give us less solid waste. We have to adopt this 3R, that's giving a less solid waste, reducing chemical fertilizer and pesticide uses. This is the best topic for that, to reducing chemical fertilizer and pesticide. Reusing of material, we have to using for any material, reuse any time frame, because of it's giving a highly soil pollution, highly air pollution, and highly water pollution when we have to manufacture as a new. So it's called as a reusing material. It's giving a control of soil pollution. Recycling process and recovery of material, reforesting, and solid waste treatment. If you have to rejecting all types of the solid waste directly to the soil, that are creating a highly and harmful toxic on the soil surface. But we have to some given some treatment and giving a less toxic and less poisoning material, and then after we have to reject in our soil surface. That's are giving a lower soil pollution. Thank you.